Susan.
And I'm Winter.
And what do you have on your lips?
I have amazing purple.
Violet
Volt.
Violet Volt? Yes. So, ladies, just announced Pantone's color of the year for 2018 is ultraviolet.
Ooh, so fun.
Yes. So, we want to incorporate that right into our makeup routines, into our lives.
Yes.
And we're going to start with lip color because that's our favorite thing ever.
Of course.
So,
we are the LipChicks.
We are the LipChicks.
So, I could totally see this year with like light purple eyeshadow or even more like bold purple eyeshadow, some purple accents in your earrings, your clothing, even like at home accent with purple pillows. I know for my room I have blue up there, but it's like a light blue and I could totally see some like purple pop of color. It'll be super fun. So
I love it because it's like a royal color.
I love this color and I love that it's bold.
Yes.
Okay.
Bold
But you know,
and
let's say you want to tone it down a little bit, you know? So I'm gonna pair it with, we have so many fun glosses, but I'm thinking sand. Sand gloss will be a fun color or gloss to pair with to kind of just, you know, tone it down a little bit.
Yeah.
You know?
Gives it like a champagne
Yes.
draping.
Right? Totally. So let's check this out while Susan is applying. By the way, she's gonna look amazing in this color.
Hello.
Yeah, she's blonde.
I love it.
And beautiful. Honestly, anyone would look amazing in this color. It's so fun. So, I'm just gonna tone it down just a little bit. But there's so many fun things you can do. So you can mix it with another color to make it even lighter. You can mix it with just different glosses, you know, like we have like a light pink to bring out a little bit more pinky color, or you want some glitter. I mean, you can just
glitter
really,
it up, baby.
Right? Glitter it up.
Can we please get some pink glitter gloss? Like, okay.
Yes. Actually, pink glitter gloss will look amazing.
Yeah, totally.
But see, kind of tone down just a little bit, you know, but I can totally see this paired with, you know, like a really cute black dress.
Yes.
You know, some chunky earrings.
So sometimes you got your cute little black dress. Sometimes you can use like your makeup to do your accent colors, you know, so you can have like a little purple on your lips. I could totally see this with like a little black dress.
Totally. And with darling.
Yeah, I know, right? Okay, or maybe like a cute like bunchy purple sweater, or even like white.
Yep.
Can I wear a white sweater now with this? Yes, did I do it?
It'll be super cute.
Yes, I love it.
Anyone can rock this color. It's the color of 2018.
Yes. Color 2018, ultraviolet. So let us know what you guys think about this year's color. Bye.